Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you guys my newest collection that I'm releasing on Friday, August 21st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have been working on this for so long. I'm so excited it's finally here. So I wanted to go through this whole collection one by one, give you some details and a little bit of insight on each piece and what makes it special. So I have a lot of things, so be sure to check them all out. So let me go ahead and first start with my printables. So I got started with CreatewithMandy, my Etsy shop, doing printables. So it's kind of fun to go back and keep creating them as my shop grows. So I have two options this time around. These are digital downloads, so you won't receive anything physical, but you will get the file so you can print it as many times as you'd like. So the first option is this wild printable. So this obviously matches my wild sticker sheet. I had a few people asking for me to create a printable for it, so here it is. I love the blush colors and the soft pinks, almost browns, just super pretty. Some functional elements as well as some decorative things as well. So I like that there's a combination of both in there. Also got some washi strips, and I really like the habit tracker, and I love that the leopard print goes throughout. So when you print these out, you just get your pair of scissors, cut out all the pieces, and put them in your journal or planner. So something fun that I've done is I printed this on sticker paper, which is a fun option for you to do because once you cut it out, you can just peel off the backing and then it's already a sticker. So, I mean, if you don't have sticker paper and you don't really want to buy any, then you can just use some glue or some Tombow adhesive, whatever you'd like to stick it down. So here is my second one. Really love this one. The colors are just gorgeous on this printable. So I have some photos here at the bottom. I love to layer boxes on top of photos, so that's why I did that. Got some cool texture in there. I liked that element that I added to a couple of these boxes. You're always going to get the weekdays and some decorative pieces as well. So this is my fall printable. Loving these photos. Okay, so next let's go ahead and look at the sticker sheets. So there is a lot this time, and I'm super excited. So the first thing I want to show you is my functional dots and little boxes. So I chose a fall palette this time. I really love these colors, they're so pretty. So you get a bunch of circles or dots. I believe there's 60 there. And then you have some of these boxes as well. And you can write on top of these, but I would use a more permanent pen like a Sharpie pen, or I have this Mono Twin from Tombow. This is like a permanent marker and there's a really nice fine tip on the end, so I like to use that. And so if you use that, it won't smear or anything. So I did go ahead and use some of these in this happy notes that I've kind of made into like a bullet journal-ish. And so let me show you what I did. So I created a September calendar using my functional kit. You can see all the colors there. So I just wrote out the dates, and then I went ahead and put some dots on some important dates and wrote why or what is happening on that day. Used some boxes at the top, as well as a month from my monthly kit or my monthly sticker sheet. And then here's one of the boxes. So I really like how that turned out. So that's my functional sheets. Okay, next is cozy things. This one is so fun. When I think of fall, I think of the cozy things, obviously, so that's why I named it that. So we got some pumpkins, a little charcuterie board, like so cute. I love the pattern that I put on these knit items. You got a pumpkin spice latte, candles, some books, yarn, coffee, and even some cute little nature things. So I really love this one. It took me so long to make this one because I put a lot of detail and shading and shadows into this one. So it's a little bit more of a sketchy, realistic-ish style compared to some of my other ones. So I really like this one. And then for the first time, I thought it would be fun to try out some boxes. So this is gonna be available as an add-on kit to this. So you can only get it as an add-on because I am gonna put it cheaper than the normal sheet. So you can get them together or you can just get this one. So these boxes are super cute. I designed them to fit inside the classic Happy Planner. So they will fit, there might be like the tiniest sliver of an edge, but they should fit. I already put one in and it looks nice. So yeah, and then there's some little doodles, not doodles, some of the elements from the deco sheet are in the boxes. So yeah, then you get a nice choice between some blank and some grid. So that is Cozy Things. Next, I have pumpkin everything. So last fall, I went crazy with all the pumpkin things. And so when I was thinking about sheets to make, I was like, I should do all pumpkin things. And so this sheet is really kind of personal to me. So this mug, I don't have it, but I have been wanting it for like so long. I saw it last year and I said, that is so cute, I want it. Couldn't find it anywhere, so maybe this year I'll find it. I have some socks that look very similar to these guys. This is my favorite fall candle scent, pumpkin pecan. There's obviously some treats like some pumpkin bread, pumpkin pie, pumpkin roll, which are some of my favorites. You got some candy corn and those like pumpkin candies that you find along with the candy corn sometimes. You got, you know, coffee here, pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin donut was my favorite thing last year. Pumpkin scrub, and then these were kind of, my idea for these in the corner here were the fake little fabric pumpkins that I have for decoration. So that is kind of the inspiration for that. And then finally, I thought it would be so cute to put a sticker of the sticker sheet. So a little sticker inception for you. Super cute. I really like the little sticker sheet, so cute. Okay, next I have pumpkins and gourds. So another idea I had when I was designing some sheets was all pumpkins, like obviously. And I was like, but I kind of want to make them more fun than just realistic pumpkins or whatever. And so I kind of made these funky pumpkins and gourds with different line art and patterns in them. So these are super cute. Next, I have a quote sheet. So this is on clear paper. Everything so far has been on white matte sticker paper, with the exception of these guys, which were also on clear transparent. But this is a quote sheet and it's on the clear paper. So some hand lettered quotes and some little doodly icons to go along with them. These were so fun to do. I love hand lettering, and so this is some of mine. So I did go ahead and make another spread in this Bujo Happy Notes. And I did it with the Cozy Things boxes, and those It's Fall Y'all quotes. So I really love this one. Super cute. Oh yes, I also used the functional dots. So yeah, love this one with the boxes. So this I sometimes use, maybe if I have a really busy week and just wanna throw a few ideas down. I don't use it every week, but yeah, it's also fun just to experiment with the Bujo layout, so that's another reason. But yeah, so this is how that one looks. Next, we're getting into more Halloween themed sheets. So I have some more quotes on clear paper. This one's called Hey Pumpkin. It has a lot more of Halloween themed quotes and little icons. So cute. I love these. And I love that they're clear, so you can go ahead and layer them over anything. Okay, next is another special sheet. So this one is called Spooky Night. It's available in craft paper and the clear transparent. And when I was designing this one, I had in mind that it was gonna go on craft paper. I think a craft paper sticker is so cool, just like the concept, because you don't see it very often. And I just love the spooky, gothic, dark vibes of this sheet. It was also super fun to make. And then one of my favorite things about this sheet is that it has a texture on all the black parts. So it was really fun to add in that texture. I think it gives it like such a cool look, and I love it. So here's in craft paper, and then I also have it in clear. So the same texture is there, it's the same sheet, just in clear. Another thing to note is that I did add a background image that isn't cut out. So these little crosses or X's that you see throughout the page, those are not cut out, but you could always just cut them out with your own scissors because it is technically still part of the sticker sheet. So yeah, I thought it was a fun detail to add. And then lastly, I have my Pastel Halloween collection. So this is a 2-sheet collection that will be sold together because they coordinate. And this was the first sheet that I started designing out of all of the fall things. And I had so many ideas for this sheet that I had to make it into 2. There was all these quotes I wanted to do, the concept of pumpkins, bats, spiders, ghosts, and witches' hats, and candy corn, and all that. I had all these ideas, and I was thinking, they're gonna be way too small if I put them all on one sheet. So instead you get 2. So I love this. It's more of like a cutesy vibe compared to this one, and I thought it would be fun to have both because even I like to have the option between both. It just depends what mood you're in or whatever. But I love this one. It's super cute. And I love the colors. The colors were something else that I switched up so many times before I finally decided on this one. At one point I had a hot pink in there, but I really love the purple, and these soft pastel colors. So yeah, that is Pastel Halloween, page 1 and page 2. So to go back into my bujo, I did one more spread and I used obviously the craft paper Spooky Night sheet. This one I just made it super simple using the single sticker sheet and a black pen, and I really like it. I'm excited to jot down some notes in here. I already did date it, so I guess I'll have to do that in September, but I can always make another one if I want. So that is it. That's it for the stickers. So there is one more exciting thing that I'm releasing along with these stickers and printables, and that is in this baggie right here. So this is an idea that I had that I was like, yes, I am super excited for this. So let me go ahead and open it up. This is how it will be packaged. And here we go. So, oh my goodness. This is a DIY banner kit. So I love little banners. Pretty much every holiday I put one up. I think they're such a cute decor piece, and they're also pretty budget friendly and super cute. So this one says spooky, and I'll show you a little bit more. So it comes with all of the alphas, and they are punched at the top so you can string them on the string. So you get S, P, 2 O's, K, and Y. So this one says spooky. I also have another one that says hey boo. And then with each one, you're going to get a collection of black moons, bats, stars, and witches' hats. And then the most fun part is that you also get some iridescent holographic ones as well. And so I included 2 ghosts in this one. Super cute. Love that hollow foil. And so you get 4 stars, 2 moons, and 2 ghosts. And that's going to be the same whether you pick Spooky Night or Hey Boo. And you also get the string. So you get 6 feet of this twine. I also have a few other colors. I just chose this nice brown and white. I thought it wouldn't take away from the message. So that's the one that I picked for this guy, but you can go ahead and pick your own. So it's super easy. And the reason why it's do it yourself is because you can go ahead and add these fun shapes anywhere you want on the banner. So you would just string your string and the letters. Let's see. And then you can go ahead and add one of these guys next. Now I didn't punch these because you could also just stick them on the wall around the banner, or you could go ahead and just glue them to the shapes and have them kind of come off of the shape like that. Same with the holographic ones. So you could just kind of tape it there. You will need some adhesive for this project. I used some Tombow mono adhesive and I just put a little strip, then taped it to the letter, and you can just kind of create your own thing. So you can just make it how you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of the Hey Boo that I have on my wall right now, and I'll show you how I added the ghosts and the stars and everything around it to kind of make it my own. So that's what's fun about this, is that you can just do anything you want and make it yours. So if you don't like the holographic stuff, then you don't have to use it, but I would be really surprised if you didn't, because I think that's the best part. It's so cute. I love all these things together. So that is the final piece of this new collection. So I'm super excited about it, and thank you so much for watching. This is going to release in my Etsy shop tomorrow, August 21st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to check everything out. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.